Welcome to the Creating Collections tutorial. This short video will help you create and add resources to a collection. We're going to start at your dashboard. On your dashboard, you should see your institution, and within your institution, one or more repositories. Click the small arrow to expand your repository and see its locations. If you already have some resources in that location, you should be able to see those too by clicking the arrow and expanding it. If you don't have any repositories or locations created and aren't sure how to do that, stop this tutorial, go back, and watch the tutorial on creating your first resource. To create a collection, click on the location that you want to add the collection to, and then click the button Add Resource to Assess. You'll see the Create Resource screen. From here, you want to give your collection a name and select the resource type Collection. You can add optional information if you want. It doesn't affect your resource's score, but it is used to generate descriptive records for assessed items and collections. For more information on why this is important, see the user manual. Once you enter all of the information that's required, and optional information if you'd like, click Create Resource. You'll notice that you aren't able to assess a collection the way that you're able to assess a single resource. The reason for this is that a collection is a container that holds other resources. It's a conceptual object, not a physical object. So we're concerned about assessing the resources inside of that collection. To add items to your collection, click Add Sub-Resource. Create a resource just as you would for a single item, and once it's created, you'll be able to assess it. If your collection has more collections within it, simply click Collection for the resource type, and you'll be able to nest sub-collections within your parent collection. If your collection contains a lot of items that are very similar, try using our clone function to duplicate the resource that you just created. That way, you won't have to enter all of the information over and over again. If you'd like to duplicate the item with the assessment data attached to it, that means that your items are identical in both format and condition. You would answer the questions the exact same way for both items. You can choose to clone the item with its assessment data. Just remember to actually assess the item beforehand. That's all I have for you today on creating collections. Don't forget to check out our other tutorial videos for more guidance.